Thank you for the news reaching you live from our Abuja studio. I am TVC Adeoye. We begin in Abuja with breaking news. Retired police officer has raised concerns over their continued inclusion in the contributory pension scheme, describing it as exploitative and detrimental to their welfare. Under the aegis of the Police Retired Officers Forum of Nigeria, the protesters blocked a gate to the presidential villa, forcing security operatives to shut it. The retired police officers are asking President Bola Tinubu to assent to the police exit bill passed by the National Assembly. When signed into law, the bill will exempt the police from the contributory pension scheme, which stakeholders argue has subjected personnel to undue hardship and contributed to untimely death. As concerns grow over rising cases of substance abuse among young Nigerians, stakeholders are calling for a more coordinated response to tackle the crisis. This was the focus at the third edition of the Fly Above the High Conference in Abuja. TVC News' Abigail Zamani has more.
Drug abuse continues to affect not just individuals but entire families, disrupting lives and limiting the potential of many young people. At the Fly Above the High Conference, convened by the Recovery Advocacy Network, the emphasis is on prevention, awareness, and long-term support.
For too long, the narrative of addiction in our society has been one of lost causes and discarded lives. We are here to reclaim that story. We are here to say that beyond the fog of chemicals and despair, there is a clear sky.
Health experts warn that substance abuse comes with serious physical and psychological consequences, often requiring sustained medical and emotional intervention.
Substance use prevention is better than cure. It's better you prevent it from happening than curing it because of the process it takes to cure.
For law enforcement agencies, the fight against drug abuse is also about reducing access and strengthening control measures.
When programs like this are held, we NDLA appreciate it, NDLA supports it, and NDLA we always applaud and encourage all of us to come and listen.
Speakers also highlight the role of families and communities in guiding young people towards better choices and resisting harmful influences.
The role of the family is to give support and comfort, as well as encouragement to the individual that is afflicted. And that begins with having a listening ear, and also to have a mindset that addiction is a disease, it's not a moral failing.
My story did not start with lighting one stick.
Beyond the conversations, the conference served as a platform for inspiration, offering hope for reinforcing the message that change is possible. Organizers say they remain committed to expanding advocacy for community engagement efforts as part of a broader push to curb drug abuse across Nigeria. Abigail Zamani, TVC News, Abuja.